Today we are going to test Triac with analog multimeter, and if you use in the analog multimeter, please watch this video until the end. And I'm going to use this analog multimeter, and this you can select to on, which is time. Select the multimeter on ×1. So already select ×1 here. Okay, basically this Triac is the symbol is here. Okay, this Triac I'm going to use a Triac is I'm going to test BTA 10-600. Okay, then this is the Triac symbol. This MT1, MT2, here is G. So MT1 is a stand for main terminal 1. Basically it's for the income power source, and the main terminal 2 here, main terminal 2 is a stand for MT2 is stand for main terminal 2, which is basically for output, and G is stand for gate. So the gate, this Triac is used, and this Triac is functioning depends on the gate open and close. So mostly the Triac is used in AC control circuit. Okay, something like the dimmer or something like motor control, they use that for the AC appliance. So I'm going to test this. It's a BTA 600. So basically there is a many package. There's a small TO92, TO220. I'm using this TO220. Okay, so basically once you already turn on the multimeter to ×1 here, and we use the test probe. Okay, the first one MT1, main terminal 1, you use the multimeter black probe here, and main terminal 2, can you see clearly here? Okay, if you can see more clearer, this will be more nice. Okay, main terminal 1 is I touch with the black multimeter probe here, which is anode here. Okay, then the main terminal 2 I test with cathode. I test with a cathode probe here. So do you see any multimeter is nothing is moved, right? Okay, but if you connect here, there is connectivity. My multimeter is working in proper. Make sure your multimeter is working in a proper way. Before you test with a multimeter here. Okay, so main terminal 1 and main terminal 2. Basically this main terminal 1 and main terminal 2 we are testing right now here. So right now is the open circuit, so there is no connection for between this gate, between this terminal. So unless the gate is open, these two will not be a closed circuit. So how do we know this Triac is in good condition or bad condition? So basically you touch again terminal 1, terminal 2. Okay, this what is gate. If you test the gate, we're gonna be connection, but if you do here, the terminal is not connecting. So how you're going to do is main terminal 1, main terminal 2, then you short together with main terminal 2 and gate together. You short and you release immediately. Okay, so you can see the multimeter is still holding even though you already released from the gate. So now the gate is already open for connecting terminal 1 and terminal 2. But if you release the totally here and you put it back, you test back to main terminal 1 and terminal 2, there is no connection because the gate was already closed. But if you put again here, terminal 1, terminal 2, the terminal 2 and the gate you short together and you release, you can see, right? Still holding the multimeter. Okay, and so this condition is a good condition to try. So no matter which size, this one is a BTN 10600, which is 10 ampere 600 volt, and there is another one. I'm using this is a full insulation. You cannot see the number because the camera is not clear. Okay, anyway, which package is coming, which size, it doesn't matter as long as this is Triac. You can test in this way. So this number is a BCR. This number is a BCR 8PM. I'm going to just test BCR 8PM. This Triac is in a good condition or not. So same goes to the first method. We use the main terminal 1, main terminal 1, main terminal 2, main terminal 1, main terminal 2. There is no connection, okay? So main terminal 1, main terminal 2, you short to main terminal 2 and the gate, you short together and you release from a gate. So the Triac is holding. So there is connection. You release this one and you touch it again, the gate is already closed. If you want to hold it again, you short with the gate and main terminal 2, you release back. So this Triac is a good condition. Okay. Yes, one more time, the small one. This is a small ampere, around 1 ampere. This package is very small. Is MSC 97S6. So this one is 1 ampere. Basically, it's 1 ampere 600 volt. So we must try again. Same goes to like this one. If you try to the middle pin is short, so that means this in the middle one is gate. Main terminal 1 and gate always gonna be short. Main terminal 1 gate is short. Main terminal 2 and gate is not short. Main terminal 1 and gate is short. Main terminal 2 and gate is open. So basically, how do you determine specific about the pin? You just use the first pin, and if you touch one by one here, if short, so that means this pin, the first short pin gonna be gate. So if there is no short, so right here, the first pin is main terminal 1, and the last pin is main terminal 2, and the middle is gate. So main terminal 1 and main terminal 2, there is no short here. How you gonna test is main terminal 2 and the gate you short together, then you release here, then still holding. But if you release like this from the main terminal 2, then you pull back to the main terminal 2, there's no connection, there's no short circuit. So we test again. Main terminal 1, main terminal 2, main terminal 2 and gate short together, release from gate, and the multimeter is still holding. So this Triac is in good condition. So today we just test how to test Triac with analog multimeter. Basically, this is a very simple and easy to use analog multimeter to test this component. I hope if you're a beginner and you like this video, thank you for watching.